Hey guys, I'm Pietro. My new username is Popowski and I live in Italy 2 years. Not really 2 years, but my mom is super Italian. She speaks a little Serbian and I speak 3 languages: Serbian, Italian and English. If you want to see my videos, click here, pietros.com. And now I'm going to show you something really odd that you can expect to be in this museum. It's this. There is a tree right in the middle. And I don't know why, but now I know. Some guy put some tree in there and then like all this tree is gonna grow with water and that's the end. Bye.